The Ultimate Guide to Tarot, a beginner's guide to the cards, spreads, and revealing the mystery of the tarot by Liz Dean. The Ultimate Guide to Tarot, a beginner's guide to the cards, spreads, and revealing the mystery of the tarot by Liz Dean. Described as a must-have companion for beginner readers, this book is the perfect partner to your first tarot deck. Through reading, you will discover the complex history of tarot, learn about the myths, and uncover the mysteries behind the spiritual art. This Ultimate Guide to Tarot by Liz Dean not only honors the heritage of tarot, but also takes you through many different practical techniques and interpretations. The author, Liz Dean, is a tarot expert and gives you gifts with a complete overview of all the traditional cards, including their symbology, astrology, and numerology. The three essential components of a successful tarot reading are explained thoroughly. Knowing the meaning of the cards, knowing the layouts, and trusting in the messages given to you. Study of this book will complement the best tarot decks for beginners by teaching you how to get the most out of your cards.